Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you a profitable trading strategy that is suitable for day trading. Before I start, you should know that the content of this video is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and backtest any strategy before implementing it in your trades. With that said, now let's jump right into this video. The strategy we are going to use combines price trend and price volatility to make profitable trades. And to do this, we would have to bring out an indicator called super trend. This would be the first indicator we are going to use in this video. Now let's go to the indicators and strategies section. You click right here and you search for super trend. The first result right here by KeyBank is what we are going to use in this video. So I would go ahead and click on this. Now this is how the indicator is going to look like. You can see clearly there is a green line right here which indicates buy. Now this shows when an asset is in an uptrend. And there is also the sell section right here where you can see a red line. Now this shows that the asset you are looking at is in a downtrend. This is basically how this indicator works. The reason why I am going to use a second indicator is because the super trend indicator only shows when an asset is in an uptrend or in a downtrend, but it does not show exactly where to enter a position. Now the second indicator I am going to bring out would show you exactly where it is profitable to enter a long position and also where it is profitable to enter a short position. Now let's go over to the indicators and strategies section. Right here you click on this and you search for squeeze momentum indicator. The first result right here by Lazy Bear is what we are going to use in this video. So right now I would click on this. This right here is the squeeze momentum indicator. The way we are going to use this is that we are going to know exactly when there is increase in volatility. As you all know, you need a volatile asset to make money every single day. That's exactly why I need the squeeze momentum indicator, because this shows me when there is increased volatility in the price chart. You can see clearly here that there is the green section and also the red section. The green section indicates increase in volatility in the upward direction, and the red section also represents increase in volatility in the downward direction. So this is what you need to know when using this indicator. Now let's bring out the price chart. Right here you can see that we've gotten the super trend indicator, and right now we've added the squeeze momentum indicator. The next step is to change the time frame we are going to use when trading. Since this strategy is meant to be for day trading, we are going to use a lower time frame. So let's change this time frame from a 1 hour time frame to a 15-minute time frame. This right here is the 15-minute time frame of the Bitcoin USDT price chart. Now let me go over how to use this squeeze momentum indicator. You can see right here in the price chart, when the super trend indicator shows a buy signal, the price is going to go in the upward direction. And also you can see that the squeeze momentum indicator would also show an increase in price volatility. You can also see that the squeeze momentum indicator is giving a negative read. If you look at the chart, you would see that the price is still in an uptrend. This indicator is not very accurate at this given time. So for me to filter out the noise, I would have to change the setting of the squeeze momentum indicator. To do this, I would have to go over to the settings right here, change the Keltner channel length to 45. This is the only adjustment we are going to make with this indicator. Click on OK. You can see right here that the noise has been filtered out, and this is a better representation of the squeeze momentum indicator. Now let me show you exactly how to implement this strategy in your trades. This right here is an example of an uptrend using this strategy. The first confirmation is the super trend printing a buy signal. Over here, there was a buy signal at this exact level in the price chart. And if you look downwards, you would see that the squeeze momentum indicator was showing a negative read on price volatility. And soon after, it went to a positive read on price volatility, as you can see, from a red color to a green color. And this transition happened at around this level. But when you are using this strategy, make sure to be conservative. You can wait after 5 bars before you enter your position. So if I want to enter my position based on these two confirmations, I would have to enter at around this level. So at this exact point is where I would enter my long position on this trade. And as you can see, the price steadily goes to the upward direction. This is exactly how my trade would turn out if I was to enter a long position using the two confirmations from these indicators. You can see right here that this produced a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. My stop loss at the previous candlestick low, if I had entered this trade at around this level, I would have made profits to the upward direction. So this is an example of an uptrend using this basic strategy. Now let's go over to an example of a downtrend. Right here is an example of a downtrend. If you look at the super trend indicator, you would see that it gave a sell signal. This line went from a green and transitioned to a red line, which indicates a change in trend, and this is to the downward direction. Right here is confirmation number 1. Confirmation number 2 is that the squeeze momentum indicator transitioned from a positive read to a negative read. As you can see, when you see a transition, you should wait about 3 to 5 candles before entering your trade. If I was to enter a trade, I could enter at around this level, and I can also enter at a lower level. As long as the super trend continues to give a sell signal and the squeeze momentum indicator continues in a negative read, I can enter my trade at around these levels and I would still remain profitable. Let me show you exactly how it's going to turn out. This would give me a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, my stop loss would be at around this level, my entry point would be at a lower level, which is right here, and my take profit would be at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So this is exactly how my trade is going to turn out. I truly hope you understand exactly how this strategy works, and if you are enjoying this content so far, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Now let me show you exactly how to take profit when using this strategy. To take profit, you would have to use a Fibonacci extension. If I was to enter my trade, it is clear that I would have entered at around this region. I would have to swing from the high right here to the candlestick low. You would see that there are two important fib levels in the price chart. There is the 1.618 right here, this blue line, and there is also the 2.618, this red line. And you would see that the price went perfectly to touch these two lines. Alright, so these right here are possible take profits upon entry of your long position. Let me zoom in for you to clearly see exactly what I am talking about. You can see right here that this blue line, the 1.618, the price went exactly to touch this level at around this point, and soon after the price went to touch the 2.618. So these are the two important fib levels to show you exactly where to take your profit when you enter a long position using this strategy. Now let me show you an example on how to take profit when you enter a short position using this strategy. This is a downtrend, and if I was to enter my trade based on the two confirmations, I would enter at around this level. And now let me show you exactly where to take your profit using different fib levels. Now let's bring out the Fibonacci retracements, and we are going to swing from the low right here to the high. My various fib levels for my take profit would be the 1.618, which is this blue line, and also the 2.618, which is the red line. You can see that the price went perfectly to touch the 2.618 fib level. So if I was to enter my position right here, I would take my profit at this exact level. If you look at this price chart, this is a lot of price gains in a short period of time. Now let me show you the percentage gain of this move. If I was to enter at around this level right here, you would see that this is a 1.1% move to the downside. Now this is a juicy amount of percentage because I am going to be using leverage. A 1.1% move on a 10x leverage would give me 10% profit on a single trade in a day of trading. So this is basically how this strategy works. If you want to make profitable trades, you should fully understand risk management. Once you understand how to manage your risk, it will be very comfortable for you to set exactly where to cut your losses and for you to set a reasonable take profit region. As always, trading crypto is risky. That's why it is good to play safe when you want to enter the market. Before I end this video, let me show you something else that is mind-blowing when you use this exact strategy on a higher time frame. That means if you're a swing trader, this would be mind-blowing what I am about to show you. Now let's go over to the daily time frame. Now this is the daily time frame on the Bitcoin USDT price chart, and if you were to use this strategy, you would have entered a position at around this level at 57,000 when the market started to crash. And right now, you would have been in massive profit because you would have been taking a short position from 57,000 and the current price of Bitcoin is at around 37,000. So this right here is a good $20,000 gain when you are using this strategy. If you're a swing trader, you will be very profitable at this current time. I truly hope you've understood exactly what I am saying in this video, and I would like it if you can backtest this strategy. Also, let me know in the comment section how this works for you. If you enjoyed this content so far, you can please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.